Hi, I'm Lori Grundy, and this is Dr. Grundy and Deborah Bailey, our clinic administrator. And we're from Hanover Dental Care in Hanover, Ontario, Canada. And we had Wendy in today to talk with our team from Hanover and our second office in Lucknow, Ontario. And we're just thrilled. Heard Wendy speak before, and we've been adopting the Whitening for Life and seen quite a bit of her materials, and it's just been a really motivating day, and we're excited to see the results and see what happens, and we'll get back to you on that.
I think there were some really good aha moments with the team as well, particularly when you summarized at the end. They came forward with some good ideas, about the simple and the secret name I think that was a really good take-up. There's a number of points that I think that we're going to be able to execute on right away, and the goal setting, that's always really powerful.
Yeah, and I think the challenge to the whole practice was great. The information was easily understood, and yet it's great to have the goals set for our team, and overall the day was just a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.